Leetcode daily challenge. It is a medium problem today 3381 maximum subarray sum with length divisible by k. Obviously, this is a problem of prefix sum. What is a prefix sum? Take this array. For example, the prefix sum will be the sum of a subarray start from the beginning. And for index 0, it's gonna be -1. For index 1, it's gonna be -1 plus -2 -3, then -6, then -10, and -15. So with a prefix sum, we can easily tell a sum of a subarray. For example, this one from index 1 to index 4, we can just easily minus this index 4 minus index 1 for -4, which is in this case is -14, which is the sum of a subarray. In this case, we don't have to do it again and again to calculate the sum of a subarray again and again. All we have to do is just go through this array for one time, and we can find out all the sum of all subarrays. That's gonna reduce the time complexity. And imagine this maximum possible answer. All we have to do is just to find out this maximum one from all the possible answers. But if an index or length of the subarray is divisible by k, that means we can have k possible answers from 0 to -k. Say, for example, well, k is 4, and with index, say, index 1, index 5, index 9, 13, blah, blah, blah. All we have to do is we can check at all these points and minus a minimum value before this index. For example, if the sum of the prefix sum here at index 5 is the minimum number, and then if we can find a maximum number in the following index, the maximum number minus the minus number gonna give us a maximum result. That is how we find out the final result. So first, with the prefix sum. Second, find out the minimum prefix sum, and find somewhere to save it. Maybe another array to save it. But that's the approach we solve this problem.